Hello guys, welcome back to the new DirtBike Lunatic video. Today we're back with another episode of Crazy Angry People vs Bikers. But before we start, we got sponsor for this episode. And our sponsor for this episode is Raid Shadow Legends. This game will take you to the world of dark fantasy and realism. You can play it on mobile and PC, but the best thing is free to play. With bunch of heroes to choose, it's no matter if you get a good one or bad one. You can still level them up, or you can sacrifice bad ones in order to level up the good champions. My favorite thing about this game is graphics and ability to boost and level up all your heroes, so even the bad ones can become champions. And by the time you're watching this video, the brand new Tag Arena should be live in game. So basically, it's classic arena but on hard mode, and since it's brand new, the developers will be giving out some special rewards. So if you are like me and you love truly competitive PvP with some big rewards, you're going to love Tag Arena. Guys, make sure to download Raid Shadow Legends using my links below. You will get an exclusive welcome pack with some great goodies, and most importantly, free awesome champion Shaman. You will find your extra rewards here in your inbox for the next 30 days only. Since we talked so much for this episode, now you can enjoy the episode without any interruptions. Let's start!
Hey, get off your phone! You idiot, my bike!
Yes, you have. Mate, you. Oi! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
What mate?
You over the bike face. You just put a big hole in your bumper.
Let's go to CCTV and shows that. Let's have a look.
See where the paint's come off. They pushed it, your bike back by about that.
Yeah.
He nearly fell and came off the stand.
Did it? Did you grab it, did you? Oh, thanks mate, appreciate that. Take your mirror off. No?
What the moron!
Kicking that gas. Dude, you're going the wrong way. Dude, the girl is on the wrong side of the road. What are you doing?
Dat is de auto. Daar heb ik gang in.
Ja, hvad har du gang i? Den er ensporet, indtil du kommer hertil. Ja, den er ensporet. Du skal sgu da ikke prøve at overhale mig, når den er ensporet, vel? Der er kamera lige her. Ja. Kør ordentligt.
Are you crazy? You almost hit me. You came into my lane. Look, I have a camera. I have a camera. You almost came into my lane and killed me. Because you were on your phone.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
I appreciate you apologizing.
Can you please tell me which left or right word I did? I swear to God.
What the f are you doing? What are you doing? Are you being serious? You stupid little kid.
¿Qué le pasa? Ahora es ir. Vamos a ver qué quiere. Gachito, ¿me bajas un poquito la ventana? ¿Sabías que el guiño no te da prioridad? No, entonces no me toques bocina. ¿Sí? Calmate un poquito.
Oh, they're both texting. And their baby's in the car. We'll see if they continue when they're actively moving. How old is that baby? Like 4 to 6 months. Let's see, it's green. You gonna keep texting? You gonna put it down? You're not. You're not putting it down. Oh, wow. Wow, he's moving. With the cell phone, with the baby in the car. Oh man, I really want to talk to this one. Tell him it makes great video. Oh, and he's not even in his lane. Wow.
And that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out DirtBike Lunatic store and get yourself some DBL merch. Until the next episode guys, ride safe.